The takeoff is really hard because the camera is so heavy, but let's just try it. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So I just took the first flight of the wing today, the Sonic model AR Mini, to strap this camera to it. And I got two flights, actually one flight. And the thing was so cool about it is that whole flight was super windy. I kept it in control and I even landed, which was super awesome. But right now I went for the second flight, and yeah, I broke this because it was strapped in a weird way. But I don't know, I just wanted to do that. So right now it'll still fly, so let's go for line of sight. I did fly at FPV, it was pretty awesome, but unfortunately I only brought one SD card, and the problem with that is yeah, just one camera at a time. So I just finished with this one now. You'll see that video in a little bit. I don't know when you guys will see it, but let's get started. Let's go for a flight. This is a full battery right now. Nothing super glue won't fix, and I might design 3D print stuff for this thing also, like new. Let's go. So I'm gonna launch into the wind like you guys told me, and yeah, and my back towards the sun here. So let's just make sure everything's working. All right, so yeah, I didn't record the FPV feed, so the wind's coming towards me like this, and it's pretty damn windy. So let's just see. It feels nose heavy, which is good. That's what you guys said. Let's go. Oh, that was an awesome launch. Oh my god, it's so twitchy. Why is it picking up so much speed? That almost killed me. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I saved it those times. Why is it twitchy? Is it because of the wind? Look at this, this is so awesome. Oh, I'm glad I realized what orientation. Oh, I can't see anything. There we go. Uh-oh. It's because I lost orientation again. Try not to look at the sun. There we go. Oh no. Shit. God damn it. I was afraid for it to go on the street, and for some reason, instead of going, just stopping it, I went full throttle. What a noob mistake. Please don't tell me it's broken. I haven't even gotten to fly it that much yet. Let's see. Okay, so all right, everything's intact here. That's awesome. So basically I just lost that extra piece that I put towards the end, but if we dig through this, we'll probably find it. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no, that's awesome. So, oh no, it's not awesome. God damn it. So I don't know if you guys could see this. My TBS crossfire is screwed here. Let's unplug the battery too. Let's see this. Is it? Okay, so it's an IPEX connector here, and we might have to DIY this thing later on, possibly. Let's see. Yeah. So it's the antenna for the micro that got annihilated for the TBS crossfire here. Came off of its thing. So I think that's it for this one for right now. But maybe I have extra IPEX, but no, it's a different, I don't know. anyways, I have the R9M and the R9 coming in, so I'll see if I figure something out for this. If not, I'm just gonna leave you with the footage, the HD flight footage, and yeah, my adventure. So right now, oh yes, look what I found. Yeah, it's totally salvageable. Nothing is missing. This is awesome. Imagine doing that with a quadcopter. You'd be screwed. I brought the Geb RC Elegant. No, not the Elegant. What the hell is it called? That new one, that small one. I'll see it right now. I want to practice flying a sight like this. It's gonna be like a noob flying. It's gonna be crazy. So we'll see how well that goes. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit.